What's going on, y'all? Y'all already know what it is. MTV Cribs. I'm about to go talk to resident legal expert, Miss Sophia DeMarco. Let's see what's up.
Hi, Ian. It's so nice to see you.
Nice to see you again. This is my colleague, Jyde.
Hi.
Upcoming SoundCloud rapper. Check
Nice.
out his link in the description.
Please come in.
Okay. What a lovely home you have here.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Marco, as you may know, we're here to talk to you about Gideon v. Wainwright, how it happened, its implications, stuff like that. This is nice.
Thank you. Of course. Sit down, please. So, Gideon v. Wainwright had to do with the Sixth Amendment. Before this case in Florida, it only applied to defendants charged with capital offenses. Now that the judges have overturned the previous case, Betts v. Brady, all defendants now have the right to an attorney regardless of the charges held against them. This is a huge step for society. It largely expands our civil liberties, and this is all possible through the process of selective incorporation.
What is selective incorporation?
Well, by golly, I'll tell ya! Selective incorporation is the process through which the Bill of Rights is applied to the states via the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment.
Interesting. I didn't know that. Whoa.
Whoa!
Well, by golly, I'm here now. So, Mr. Marco, how did we get here?
So, Gideon was initially charged in Florida for breaking and entering. He was denied the right to a court-appointed attorney. He appealed this through the Florida Supreme Court, which rejected it, but he then followed through with a written petition to the United States Supreme Court, which then overturned Betts v. Brady. The court unanimously ruled that the denial of an attorney violated the 14th Amendment, which guaranteed due process.
So, Mr. Marco, what is your opinion on this case?
I think the Supreme Court's ruling is fantastic. It's a step in the right direction, and its ruling is in accordance with the Constitution. Yesterday, when I was gardening, I wrote this quote down that I thought to myself, and it said, "If an obscure Florida convict named Clarence Earl Gideon had not sat down in his prison cell to write a letter to the Supreme Court, the vast machinery of American law would have gone on undisturbed." But Gideon did write that letter. The court did look into the case, and the whole course of American legal history has been changed. This is a win for all Americans. Blunt.
Wow, you're right. I never thought about it that way.
So,
It was so nice meeting with you.
you too. Thank you for inviting us into your humble abode.
And you too, Mr. Ian. Shake my hand.
Get out of here, man.
Have a good night, ladies. Thank you. Come again.
Catch us next time on MTV Cribs.
Okay, so how did we get here? Gideon was charged with breaking and entering. He applied to defendants being charged with capital. Ooh. Follow me. Defendants charged with capital offenses. Now, okay.